If it ain't authentic, I don't want it. It's a family thing. It's a family thing. With the Macher gang. It's a family thing. It's a family thing. With the Macher gang. I know you wanna come and hang. We got Sade, Marcus, Leah, Shy. Yara, they all in my heart. Yeah, it's a family thing. It's a family thing. With the Macher gang. Gang, 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 gang.
Shotty.
He said, it's a worm.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe Shot did this. Shot, you hurt him. Oh my God.
In his own home.
He was comfortable.
At his house.
This is the maze. Let's go in the maze, Shot. You think we're gonna find a way out? Look, there's a bird sitting on the butterfly. He flew away. Here's a butterfly chair. I think the birds like that chair. It's a bunch of poop on there. All right, y'all. Let's see if we can find our way out of here. Leah, you think we can find our way out?
Yeah, I know.
Yara, can you help me, please?
It's a dead end.
It's a dead end?
Whoever finds the way
Shot,
out
go.
is the winner. Ready?
You gotta be brave during this part, Leah. It's the B part, so be brave. You gotta keep going. Shot, slow down. Shot is out. Shot is out. Shot, hold on. Shot, wait a minute. Leah, come on. You gotta keep going. Shot, wait. Leah's scared. Leah, come on. You gotta keep going. If you stop, they're gonna get you. Just run.
That's what I told her. She's like, yeah.
You got it, girl. Go, go. It's okay. Leah got scared, Shot. What should we do? What should we tell Malia? She's scared of the bees. But God made the bees. Bees are so helpful for us. Malia's scared that they're gonna sting us. You think they're gonna hurt us? No, they're not gonna hurt us, Malia. It's okay. They ain't gonna hurt us. Oh, look at those. That make you happy? Look at those flowers over there. Does that make you happy? Okay, stick with us. We gotta stick together, okay? No one left behind. Shot's leading the way through the maze. So keep up, Shot. Which way do we go? Do we go this way or do we go this way?
This way.
Okay, Shot chose that way. This way. That way was looking open too. Did we do it? Did we get out? We're still in the maze, Shot. Which way do we go?
This way.
This way. Is this the way, Shot? Come on, y'all. Y'all coming? I think Shot got it. This the way? Oh, Shotty. You did it! Yeah! Good job, buddy. High five.
There's a part
Woo,
where we should
high
take a
five.
picture over there. That's like a...
Oh, yeah. Let's go down to the fountain.
Here, Daddy.
Dude, walk to the left.
There go the girls.
Come on, guys.
Malia said, hurry up, y'all. Y'all going too slow. Y'all are beating y'all. Speed up. Says, danger. No access beyond this point. Shot, slow down. You want to go there too? This is the retention pod. See it, guys.
This is just a nice, calm place.
Yeah, it's really
Family
chill.
time.
Spend some family time, like Daddy said.
Oh, make your hands out the street.
Shot, don't go out the gate. Stay in the gate. Go that way. We're gonna go back to the maze.
No access beyond.
Oh, okay. Never mind, baby. You can't go that way. You gotta stay right here. Y'all stay right here. It's the closest we can go. So let me get a video. Like a good learning experience. Just being outside in nature, period. I like that for the kids.
Yeah. Being outside.
Ooh!
Come on, guys.
Garden for children.
A zucchini.
Little berries.
Back through the maze.
I would love peanuts.
No. Hold on, wait. Malia's about to conquer her field. What you about to do, Malia?
I'm about to go back to the maze.
And you're gonna be the leader, right? She's gonna lead us through the maze. Shad did it
bee
last
maze.
time, and he came out the right way. So let's see if Malia can do it. You think Malia can do it? Okay, Shad believe in you. Let's go. Shad believes
There
in
we
you.
go. She was scared of the bees
let
last
Malia
time.
do it first. Come on. You can't pick those up, baby. Those are rocks.
Go first.
You're supposed to go first. You're supposed to be leading us the way.
Lead the way.
Go ahead.
Lead the way.
Go.
Okay. Ready? Set.
Going so fast.
Right.
Where are you going? This is not the way. Dead end. They try to go that way.
Hey. Just scrambled up. Little one's taking that way.
Shortcut.
Oh, shortcut. Shortcut. Shortcut.
Come on, baby.
Oh, no.
Shad, look up. Look at Daddy. You got the gun.
I won.
You did it.
Up to the carrot.
She did it, y'all. Come here, Yara. Yara. You wanna see
Bye, buddy.
Look at the frog. The frog is watering his pond. Never stand by. It is quite a few bees,
I'm about to make
but
sure she don't fall into the, she easily, hold on, that stone.
They're walking in a thing. What
Yeah.
if we can walk in there?
you can. Pretty sure you could probably play frisbee and all that other stuff.
Yeah, we have to come up here with a ball one day.
It'd be a nice park to bring a dog too.
Kick ball.
Let's go to the carrot.
All right, come on, guys. Oh, look at the caterpillar. They just stuck on the caterpillar. Oh, took his life. Oh my God. R.I.P. It took out. He was just thriving.
Killing bugs.
All he wanted was water.
Pop it like so.
Oh my God, yes. Cause Shot's over there stomping a worm. If you want to join our gang, subscribe to our channel, leave us a huge thumbs up, ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.
Bye, gang.